All right, guys. So you've been chatting, it's going great. She's laughing at your jokes, hopefully the good ones, and you're thinking, okay, now what? This is where most men either rush too fast or wait too long, unfortunately. We're going to find the sweet spot, how to take things off the app without scaring her away or losing momentum. Okay, section number one is to do a call or FaceTime. So, why a call or FaceTime matters? Here's the deal. Texting is good, but hearing each other's voice changes everything. You might think you have chemistry on text, but then when you get on the phone, it's different. You can tell if there's chemistry, comfort, or if it's just not clicking. Okay. So if she's open to a quick phone or FaceTime chat, keep it short, 10 minutes tops, make it sound easy, not formal. You just want to see if there's something more there, you know. Um, so try something like, I really enjoy talking with you. Wanna hop on a quick call so we can actually hear each other's voices? This this is confident.